Hi, this is Katrina from Archery Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to properly maintain your string. You're going to need some wax. This could be made out of silicone. You can get this at any archery store. And the way to properly maintain it is you want to make sure that you slide the wax up and down on the string, getting just enough on the string to cover it. And then you take your first finger and your thumb and you rub it up and down on the string just like this. You want to make sure that you rub it enough to get it warm to melt the wax into the string. You do not want to just let your wax sit on your string like this, because this is bad. All this is going to do is collect dust and dirt, and it's not helping your string at all. It's just sitting on top. So again, you just want to make sure that you rub that in just like this. And you want to wax your string pretty much anytime you use your bow. So every time that you get it out, you can just put a little thin layer of wax on it. Doesn't have to be too much. Now I'm going to show you what happens when your string is cut, or when it needs to be waxed also. So you can see here, this string is very, very frayed, very white. You see those fibers there? And what that means, that's a big indicator to tell you that your string definitely needs to be waxed. This string is literally drying out, and soon the strands will start to break. Now if your string is cut, such as this is very bad. There's multiple strands here that are cut, and if this is on your bow, especially if you have a higher pound bow, like a 50 or 60 pound bow, this string will not last. It will not take the pressure of the pounds of the bow. So you want to make sure that you get rid of this string, take it off your bow as soon as you can, because this is very dangerous.